Hello everyone, this printer is Brother MFC-J5740DW. I'm going to show you how to quickly replace the ink. Open up this cover. It will show you cover is open. Close the ink cartridges cover. So to replace the ink, push this down, push down, push down, push down for you to remove the ink cartridges. So this is how to remove the ink cartridges. If you want to put them back, take the color, goes on the left, push it inside, then followed by cyan, push it inside, followed by yellow, push it inside, the last but not least, black, push it inside. So this is how to install or replace the ink. Then you close the cover and the warning sign on the screen goes off. Thank you very much. I hope this helped you. Thank you.